I'm Mark Angelo Castillo, the organizer and commissioner, Fujian Basketball League. I have Season 1, Season 2, tapos na. So ngayon ay kasalukuyan yung Season 3 ko. I would like to flex our major sponsor, Q-Box Delivery, and I would like to flex their support to our league. Ito yung sponsor nila na bago. I have a power bank 99 hours use, equivalent of 99 hours or 1 week mahigit. Ito yung power bank nila na sponsor. Napakalupit. So, suportahan din natin ang kanilang page. Pa-like and share. Follow na rin yung kanilang page na Q-Box Delivery. Nasa comment section yung kanilang link. Then, meron din silang sponsor dito na speaker. Abot to hanggang sa back-to-back court na na sounds. Kaya napakalakas nito. And also, yung pinakahuli na kasama ng power bank na sponsor nila, yung aming digital clock. Digital clock na ito. So, hindi lang kami ang nasiyahan dito, kundi pati mga teams and committees. So, maraming salamat sa aming major sponsor, Q-Box Delivery. Sa lahat ng team, players nasa Taiwan, please support our Q-Box Delivery page. Nandyan sa comment section, ilalagay ko sa comment section yung kanilang link. So, ito yung napakalupit na last na sponsor nila ngayon. Sana ay meron pang iba na darating sa amin na kanilang sponsor. Siguro mga Season 3, Season 4, Season 5. So, ayun. Maraming salamat din kay Ma'am Gina sa aking advisor na laging nakasuporta kahit saan, kahit anong kailangan natin, pwede rin natin i-PM si Ma'am Gina kung may mga problema tayo. Alright, thank you very much. Q-Box Delivery, #1.